When the company is founded in 1911, Friedrich Segler is already an experienced businessman. In the town of Rennberg in West Pommern, he ran an agricultural machinery company together with his brother. Because of the enormous demand, also in the wider surroundings, Bernhard remains in Rennberg. Friedrich establishes a new company in Schlawe. From then on, the company grows rapidly. Friedrich Segler registers more than 50 patents and designs in the course of his active career, including an automobile with 12 horsepower. Here is the inventor with his son and later successor, Friedrich Jr. The company withstands the First World War and the Great Depression thanks to hard work and a large number of new inventions, including the drum chipper with electric fan in the 1930s or the chopper harvester at the end of World War II. Directly after the first presentation of the machine, there are 50 orders for it. Unfortunately, the enormous boom was suddenly ended. The Seglers shared the fate of many of their countrymen. They were exiled from their native country after the war. But that was by no means the end of the company's history. In Quakenbrück, they rolled up their sleeves and went on working tirelessly. In the meantime, the son, Friedrich Segler Jr., joined the company. Agriculture needed new impulses, and got them, for example, with the crop chopper. And there are more innovative impulses for other branches such as chemistry, energy, and foodstuffs. Here is a successful product, the Spirator Spiral Conveyor. In 1962, the company founder passes away, having worked almost to the end of his life at the drawing board. The production goes on, nearby Quakenbrück and now in Berge. Trade fairs attract new customers. The company continues to expand until 1992 when Friedrich Segler Jr. passes away, a watershed in the history of the company. The Quakenbrück site is abandoned. All of the departments are centralized in Berge. The reorganization brings fresh momentum, the company now being in the hands of the third generation. Today we are a modern company with over 100 employees and an international customer base. In order that we remain so in the future, we put special emphasis on apprenticeship. We support our trainees. They are our capital, our future. The Segler Conveyor Systems and Engineering Works, 100 years after its founding, looking towards the future, just as the company founder Friedrich Segler did right from the beginning. A company with more than 100-year history, with more than 1,000 different solutions. Segler. Customers rightly expect no ready-made products. Every product is made to measure. The key to success? A highly qualified staff, plus state-of-the-art technology, plus experience and constant quality inspection. Teamwork, from the welder to the general manager. Thomas Nadler on his way to inspect an agitating boiler. Are the welding seams ready? Great. Have you done the pressure test? Yes, at a pressure of 16 barometer. Okay, the inspectors can come the day after tomorrow. A process mixer, Pro Mix, ready to be delivered today. Field of application, the chemistry branch, a long-time regular customer. With Segler machines, additives for the plastic production for Bärloch and Lingen are produced. The machines must function reliably. The Lanxess company in Krefeld demands the highest levels of performance for its blasting furnaces. Raw materials for paints and varnishes are produced. Top quality obtained with Segler's Prosperator processing screw. Movement is our motivation. For more than 100 years, we've just begun.